Today we're looking at the 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. This one is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission. Let's go check it out. Heading on inside, we do have our Obsidian Rush interior, leather heated and ventilated seats on both sides, with our AT4X badge here in the middle. We also have this lovely white stitching along the sides of the seats that leads you right down to our power adjustable seat controls. We also have our massage seats and our lumbar controls. Over here we do have our leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and moving further in we do have our 13-inch display touchscreen with built-in navigation to go alongside our Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. At the bottom here you'll find our dual climate control zones, and to the left of that you'll find our push to start ignition, as well as this vehicle is equipped with keyless entry and remote start. Down here you'll find some extra storage next to our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 cup holders, our shifter, and our trailer brake controls. Over here in the middle console you'll find a plethora of storage and space. Right next to our USB-C and USB charge ports, a wireless charging pad, and our AC outlet on the right hand side. Jumping onto the driver's side door here, we do have our AT4X badge right next to our power automatic windows and our power adjustable side mirrors. We also have our power locks and our seat memory settings here by our handle. Over here you'll find our park brake, drive modes, and automatic high beams. If we look up into the windshield here, you'll find our heads-up display. And if you look down, you'll see our paddle shifters on each side of the steering wheel. And right here on the right-hand side, you'll find our voice recognition and audio controls. And on the left-hand side, you will find our cruise control settings, as well as a heated steering wheel like I mentioned earlier. If we put this vehicle in reverse, you'll see we do have the built-in 360 view camera to go alongside our built-in rear view camera. In the mirror, we do have a rear view mirror camera that can be turned on and off at any time by flicking this switch. And if we look up, we do have our universal garage opener and power controls for our sunroof. Heading on into the back, we still have our Obsidian Rush interior leather heated seats on both sides. You can find those controls for those seats here right in the middle to go alongside our 2 vents, our USB-C and USB charge ports, 2 cup holders, and behind each front seat there is extra space and storage. Speaking of storage, in these seats itself we do have these little cubbies that provide any space and storage that you might need. And underneath we also do have hidden storage underneath all of our seats. In the middle we do have much needed cup holders. And of course, last but not least, we do have our rear sliding back window. Checking out the exterior here on our AT4X, of course we have our front facing camera inside our grille, LED headlights and fog lamps. Moving along to the side here, we do have our 18-inch Goodyear Wrangler tires. Of course, we have our heated adjustable side mirrors, our keyless entry, as well as our black running boards, tint in the rear window. If we move along here, we do have our corner assist steps on each side. And if we look underneath, you'll find our spare tire, our AT4X badge here on the right hand side, our multi-pro tailgate. If you want the first half, just press the top button, it'll come down no problem, and that'll lead you to here. You can make it into a step if needed. This one also comes equipped with a speaker system that is Bluetooth and aux. If we want the whole tailgate, push the second button, hands-free, no problem. That leads you straight onto our spray-on bed liner and our 120-volt outlet here on the right-hand corner. And that is our 2025 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X in a Summit White. If you have any questions or inquiries, please feel free to reach out to our sales team, as we're here to help with any questions you may have.